Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. The brushes are located behind the brush doors. The doors are secured with a screw. I'll go ahead and remove the screw. Now remove the door. I'll need to loosen the nut on the spade handle so the door will clear. I'll do the same process on the other side of the tool. With the covers removed, I have access to the motor brushes. Now I'll remove the wire lead that goes to the brush. And I'll pull the brush away from the brush holder. To install the new brush, I align the brush with the holder and insert it. I'll compress the spring, and the brush wire will mount on top of the metal tab. I'll resecure the wire and the brush with the screw. And I repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish by reinstalling the brush covers. And that's how easy it is to replace the carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.